Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara, stock reference number 3884. This shape runs from the 4th month 2005 through to the 9th month 2008. It has an F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front and the left side. We have the right hand headlight, halogen-type, radiator grille. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear is a flat tyre. Left tail light in good condition. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spare wheel, no rash, 17-inch, good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has hail damage and a medium-sized dent. Right front door has a large fold on the rear, has also hail damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard, one small dent and one large dent. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shift, heated controls, standard type, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.